hey there, and welcome to It's a Missy Thing, where we are finding beauty, humor, and fun in everyday life. Today, I wanted to share with you something, a little project that I've just recently done. A couple of weeks ago, I was cleaning out my jewelry box, and I realized that I have, several pieces that I've gotten from my grandmothers after they um, passed away, and stuff that they, just had given me along the way. My maternal grandmother, my mom's mom, she loved brooches and had quite a collection of brooches. And I have them in a box. They've been in my jewelry box because I don't dare wear them. I don't want to lose them. I don't want to break them or mess them up or anything like that. So they've just been sitting in my jewelry box for the past 12 years. And I thought, I really want to have these where I can see them and appreciate them more, but keep them safe at the same time. So I thought about a shadow box because, well, that's what shadow boxes are there for you to be able to display things, yet keep them protected. So I went on a mission to get a shadow box and set it up with these brooches that were my grandmother's. It looking at different, kind of getting ideas on how people have done shadow boxes because, I did not invent this wheel. And I will say this too, I'm not like one of these major crafty people. So if you're watching this and you think, oh, I could do so much better than that, you probably can't. Just saying. I mean, you know, I'm I'm not a big crafting person, but I can throw things together occasionally. And I really had an idea of how I thought I could do this for having these things out where I can see them and appreciate them. One of the ideas that I got when I was tooling around on Pinterest, there were a lot of designs that had a photo of the person whose jewelry it is in the box. And I loved that idea because I had the perfect picture um, that I wanted to put in of my grandmother. So this is the picture. Mammy was around 20, 18 to 20, and this was taken at a carnival. But when you look at the picture, you'll notice that it's been cut, and the center part around Mammy has been cut. And you can see on the back that it was later taped back in. Well, what this was, my granddaddy had a Jeep at the time, and the gear shift in the vehicle he had like a little glass piece over it. And he took this picture of Mammy and cut it out and put her under the glass part of the gear shift in his Jeep. And I found I went online and found some pictures similar to what that gear shift knob would have looked like. They had a glass piece in the middle, and people could stick pictures of whatever they wanted under them. Some of the gear shift knobs that I found when I was looking online were kind of crazy. Apparently, a lot of men used them for like little pinup pictures. This was not the case for my granddaddy. He did have my grandmother under the glass part of his gear shift. And I've always loved that story about this picture. So I wanted to put this picture in the shadow box. The shadow box is from Amazon, and I'll link the one that I got in the description below. It was just a plain wooden box, and I'll show you a picture of kind of the before. I decided I didn't really like the beigey background part because the pendants the brooches didn't really pop on that color. So I decided I wanted to put some black material on the back so they would show up better. And then with black material on the back, I really didn't like just the plain wood color around the box. So I got some black and white paint and distressed it a little bit so it would blend with the back. So you'll see how that worked. I got some footage preparing the box, And so what I'm going to do now is lay out the items and get them pinned in. We'll see what we have from there. And voila, I am done. I like the way it turned out. I think it turned out really, really well. Um, I'd like to have maybe some way to put a little light in it. So I may see about drilling a hole in the bottom and then could like stick a little light and that would light it up. But all in all, I am very pleased with my little Shadowbox brooch project. That was my creative burst for this week. If you liked the video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And we will find beauty, humor, and fun in everyday life together. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.